increasing the pressure, what are you doing? By increasing the pressure, when the equilibrium is attained, you increase the pressure and now the reactants are forced to combine. So, high pressure favors formation of ammonia. High pressure. A pressure of 300 to 400 atmospheres is used. A pressure of 300 to 400 atmospheres. So, what are the conditions favorable for the formation of ammonia? 1. Increase the concentration of reactants. 2. Decrease the concentration of products. 3. High pressure. Fourth one, the fourth point is formation of ammonia is an exothermic reaction. Del H is negative. What do you mean by del H negative? Heat is released. Exothermic reaction. 4. Formation of ammonia is an exothermic reaction. What does it mean? There is already heat released in the reaction. So you should not heat it. Heat is not necessary. There's already heat is released. Therefore, low temperature favors. Low temperature favors the formation of ammonia. So, 4 points. And fifth one, if you add a catalyst, fifth one, iron is used as catalyst. Iron is used as catalyst and molybdenum is used as promoter. Molybdenum. Of course, catalyst does not help you in increasing in changing the position of equilibrium. Because of catalyst, you don't get more ammonia. But because of catalyst, you get whatever ammonia you want in quick time. You get ammonia in quicker time. Only that is the only benefit you have. So, catalyst increases the rate of a reaction. It doesn't help you getting more ammonia. The quantity of ammonia, the amount of ammonia doesn't change. And molybdenum is used as a promoter. What is a promoter? A substance which increases the activity of the catalyst. Catalyst takes care of the reaction, promoter takes care of the catalyst. So, catalyst supervises the reaction and promoter supervises the iron. Molybdenum helps iron do its job better. So, these 5 are the conditions, and exactly how much heat is produced in this reaction and what is the exact temperature. Low temperature is preferred, and how low it should be. Low temperature is preferred, roughly around 400 degrees centigrade low temperature. Okay, that's all about the manufacture of ammonia. Now I can say we have completed group 5A. We have looked at areas mostly relating to 5A, but of course we related them to 6A and 7A. But this is one good question from group 5A.
Dear students, ఈ రోజు ఎపిసోడ్ లో కెమిస్ట్రీ గ్రూప్స్ లో 5th A అండ్ 6th A అంశాలకు సంబంధించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి రేపటి ఎపిసోడ్ లో గ్రూప్స్ 6th A కు సంబంధించిన మరికొన్ని అంశాలను తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఈ కార్యక్రమంపై మీ సందేహాలను, సలహాలను మరియు అభిప్రాయాలను eclasses@kabtv.net కు పంపించండి. Till then, keep watching KAB Television.